up YouTube? I'm back and today I'm going to be doing a really short video. And I wasn't planning on making a video, but I just thought I would because like I'm just so excited right now. I just got my drone and I'm going to do an unboxing video and I'm so excited. I've been waiting so long to get this. I've done like research. I had to make like a PowerPoint for my dad, like been spending like this past year researching drones and like the best one to have, and I finally got the DJI SPARK drone and oh my god, I'm so excited. Let's get this video started. Okay, so I just opened the box and this is just like shipping stuff, but with it I also ordered these two skins for my drone. So if you look up close, they're like, it has like feathers on it and I thought they were really cute. Okay, so I have the skins which I just opened up. Next, I have this tiny little high-performance micro SD card, and the drone is about the size of my hand, and yes, I do have baby hands, and they're really small, but the drone is actually tiny, so the microchip for it is super small. Okay, so now I'm about to open it up, and I have to open it up really carefully and like from the bottom. I'm so excited. Okay, I just opened up the SPARK drone, and yes, this is a DJI product, and no, this is not a paid advertisement or review video, so disclaimer. I'm about to open this up, and I'm so excited, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to fly it today or like have videos of me flying it today because I need to learn how to use it, and I don't want to break it, so here we go. But not. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's like getting a new iPhone, but like better. Ah, here we go. Alright, so I just opened up the SPARK, and inside I think this is the actual drone, and then this will be the carrying case. Okay, so this is the carrying case. And it has all my equipment in there right now. Cute. So yeah, really stylish. I'll open that up in just a sec. Okay, so I just opened it up, and the first thing that I pulled out were my propeller guards. So these will just go around the propeller. So one, I don't hurt my fingers because like I don't want that to happen. And then the remote, and the remote is actually really cool because I can attach my phone to it. These open up. And my phone goes in there, and then I can control a little easier, like a little video game. So that's pretty cool. I can also just control it right from my phone, but this is cool because it's like still on your phone and you can see the video displayed. And it's just a little bigger and a little easier, so that's pretty cool. Then we got the propeller guards. I just have a bunch of boring wires, but these are actually amazing because the battery power. And yeah, just got some cables. So that all fits in there. And then another little zipper. So that's pretty cool. That's the carrying case. Next, the drone. So I have all my stuff laid out. There it is. About to open it up. Alright, I don't know if I'm ready for this. I'm just like so happy and so excited, and I finally have one. Ready? Oh my god. It's so pretty. Oh my god, it's yellow, the color I wanted. And oh my gosh, look at, okay, I have baby hands. If you know me and you're subscribed to this channel, you know I have baby hands. And look how tiny that is. It is smaller than my hand, and I have freakishly small hands. So I'm about to open this up. So, oh my god, I'm so excited. So if I open it up, I just have these extra propellers just in case any fall off or break. And then we have the battery pack, which is so tiny. And there's actually two of these, so I can charge them both and have like a half an hour flying time. And then here we have some more propellers. That's awesome. And then if I open up the drone, oh my god. This is the first time I've ever held this. And guess what, guys? It actually launches right from my hand. I can go like that, and it'll start flying. And it's so tiny, so durable. And the skins are waterproof. And I'm just so excited to use this. I don't know if I'll be able to include any video of me flying in this video because it'll probably have to charge for a while. But if you can see, there's these propellers, which are awesome. Look how pretty, the yellow, one of my favorite colors. Then here we have the camera, which has this amazing gimbal on it. So I'm super excited. Oh yeah, and this is the extra battery pack right here. Excuse my terrible nails, like I need to get them done. And then if you see this little screen right here, this is actually the facial recognition screen. It'll recognize my face and only come back to me and do my commands. Like if I tell it to come here, it'll come to me. Oh my god, this is so exciting. I'm so happy. Alright guys, so I have everything laid out. I got the drone right here. It's so cute, it's so tiny, and it's gonna be so fun to use. I definitely recommend the DJI SPARK drone. It's the perfect Spark drone for any like beginner. It's easy to use, it's super small, and it's small enough you don't even have to register it as an aircraft. And no, this is not a paid advertisement, so don't yell at me for that. So yeah, I got all my stuff here, and I probably won't be able to post any video of the Spark footage today in this video because everything needs to get charged and I need to like watch tutorials and learn how to use it a little better. So, but yeah, I'm so excited and I finally got my drone. Expect more videos and cooler edits. I'm so excited to make like a ton of videos and just amazing edits with this drone because it gives you that angle that we just don't have. So I'm so excited. Thank you guys for watching and remember to like and subscribe. Peace.